Chapter 2, Lesson 1 on writing equations. So we've talked about algebraic expressions and how to translate them, but now we're going to look at algebraic equations. So an algebraic equation is an equation that includes at least one variable, at least one operation, so obviously can have more of both of those, and an equal sign. All right, so the difference between an expression and an equation is that an equation is going to have that equal sign, and so it's something that we'll eventually be solving. So there we go. The difference between an expression and an equation is an expression has no equal sign, an equation has an equal sign. And an equation we solve, and an expression we don't solve, we just evaluate. So we get the value of those variables and we just evaluate it. Is, when we're translating into an equation, we see that word is, it means equals. Okay, so an example, 7 times a number squared is 5 times the difference of k and m. So 7 times a number squared, remember there's no comma here. If there was a comma, then we would do 7m in parentheses, but there's not. So 7m squared is, so equals 5 times the difference, so I'm going to do a subtraction problem in parentheses, of k and m. And there's my equation. Okay, 15 times a number subtracted from 80 is 25. So 15 times a number, but then subtracted from 80. So it's going to be 80 minus, and then that 15 times a number is 25.